Hey there, Ricardo McLevin. I have a few questions I'd like to ask you now that you've been released from prison.
Hey man, who the are you?
My name is Ciaran. I work for an organization that makes sure that the government and the justice system is up to par.
I guess I could talk for a couple of minutes. I got poker with Indians later.
Alright, let's start with the beginning. Okay, let's start from the beginning. What did you do that put you in jail?
Oh man, so long ago.
Think, Ricardo, it's important.
Well, me and the gang, we were in the cocaine dealing business. We had a good system going. We were transporting the from Victoria to Tawasin and then distributing all over the Lower Mainland. Our system was airtight.
So, did one of your gang members snitch to the police?
It looks like it, man. I trusted those boys with my life. But it looks like one of those fuckers snitched.
Okay, so, tell me about the arrest.
It was pretty standard, man.
So, do you feel like your rights were protected during the arrest?
So the officer came up to me and proceeded to tell me to freeze and put your hands up. He then informed me of the reason of my arrest. I knew if he did it, the judge could easily desist from the charges. He then told me I had the right to a legal counsel or some shit. I told that if I choose not to get an attorney, anything I said could be used against me in the court of law. Fucking bullshit, if you ask me. After the lawyer was appointed to me, the officer couldn't talk to me anymore.
Wow, that sounds pretty intense. Did you happen to feel that any of your rights were broken at the time?
Nah, man. I have to admit, they were pretty respectable regarding my right. I wasn't compelled to confess guilt, nor was I subjected to any form of inhumane treatment. When I requested to speak in my native tongue, Colombian, somebody came to translate.
Okay, that's good to hear. So it sounds like you were charged with possession of drugs with the intent of trafficking in section 2, subsection 4.3 of the criminal code.
Hey, what do I look like, man? A fucking lawyer?
So, tell me what your trial was like. Did you have a jury?
Yeah, I pled not guilty because I thought I could convince the jury that I was innocent.
So the trial, explain what happened.
I tell you what, there was plenty of evidence against me. Phone calls, drugs, the whole deal. So the case went straight to trial. Still, I pled innocent because I thought I could get out of this. The prosecution stated their case and brought out the police officer who arrested me. He was the witness. The Crown asked him some questions and then they brought my lawyer to cross-examine him. They went back and forth for a bit, and then it was our turn to present our case. We had the right to bring out any witness we chose, but we chose not to, because I could not trust anyone no more. I'll admit, our case was pretty weak. All evidence pointed towards me being guilty, but we gave it our best shot anyways. After both sides summed up both of our cases, it went to the jury. The judge informed them of the law that applied to our case, and then they unanimously voted me guilty.